a 3-year monthly chart on gold. This is Bollinger Bands. A Bollinger Band, 95% of the time, you should be within the Bollinger Band. And in the case of a monthly chart, you are rarely out of the Bollinger Band on either side, up or down. The longer term chart, the likelihood of being outside that band becomes less and less and less. Now this is gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months it's gotten above that top band, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far, totally out of that band. This is extremely statistically rare behavior. This is a very long-term chart. Keep this in mind. This indicates incredible power in the long term, an incredibly powerful rally that will last a long, long time. Now, in the very short term, you desire to pull the price back within the Bollinger Band. But no, this is a really bullish, overdone pattern of extreme buying. It looks like the beginning of the tech bubble. Let's look at the weekly charts. We're getting shorter time frames. This is the 10 and 20-week and 50-week moving averages. Notice we have been riding above the 10-week. We touched it. That's what we're doing. If we come back and retrace, we'll hit 90 at this point. But that line is rising. That's $900 gold approximately. But so there will be some effort certainly to come back down here. And these are good buy points. At other points, you're going to hit this 20-week moving average. Long-term trend you want to buy over and over and over again at support levels. This is, once again, a super bullish chart, but it needs to have some pressure taken off. So let's look at silver. Okay, 3 years. The SLB has not even existed for 3 years. Existed maybe 2 years. Once again, this is the monthly Bollinger Band. Notice it's above it and it's floating above it. This is a monthly chart. This is unbelievably bullish and extreme. Now, I actually took profits in silver here. I said, this is too much. It has to come back down. We bought in September, right around here. It was 130 something. So there's a nice profit here. And this is like too overdone. That doesn't mean this is really a good news in the long term. But in the short term, it needs to it come down and at least touch this thing and get it decided. Okay, the weekly is better. Okay, here's the 10-week average. Notice we are floating way above that 10-week average. This is also too bullish. We need to come down and touch this at least. USO is not just oil. USO is oil, natural gas, gasoline, and heating oil. And I don't like it because it's this mixture. I like each one in the pure phase because they peak and they peak and bottom at different times of the year. But notice this chart. This is a cup pattern for you IBD people. And a cup with handle, sort of a double handle. The resistance was at 100, which was key, a very important psychological resistance we mentioned last time. It took 2 attempts to get above this. And now gas was at different prices than gasoline and diesel. Now we've zoomed up. The volume was good on this breakout. And if you look at a pure oil chart, with the oil hit above 100 and went to like 110 yesterday, I think it closed at 109 yesterday. That's a very big breakout off of this. And gold is going sideways, oil is going up. It put the idea in my head, you may be able to create a trading strategy where you actually can sell gold and buy oil in the short term during a break and then go back to gold or silver. So think about that.